Hi, hello friends. You can see this nature all around, and I would like to remind you of one smart saying. If you really love the nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Very rightly said. The nature has everything to offer you. The thing, whether you are ready to take it or not, that's the only matter. Every small grasshopper has something to offer you. Every tree, everything in the nature has something to offer. Whether or not you are ready to take it, that's the only thing. And I will tell you one small secret. Don't share it with anybody. When you are in nature, try to spend at least for 10 minutes because eye needs the eye needs 10 minutes to settle down for its clear vision, and once eyes are settled for the vision, things will be different. Yes, it's my honest experience, and it does wonders. It does wonders not only with your happiness, not only with your vision, also also with your own health, wealth, and joy. The true health is within our own self, and eyes are the true embodiment of happiness. See this? Stay connected with the nature as far as possible with a wide open vision. Feel it with your body, connected with eyes, smelt by the nose, listened by the ears, felt by your skin. You have a different world because the whole world stays inside. Our own body is the embodiment of the nature. You are the nature. Where is the point? What we are searching for outside? This nature is your own resemblance. That's why your peace lurks here. Your joy is secreted by the nature. Why look outside? All this is inside you. All this is hidden, secreted by your own soul, the body. Take see the sunset. What a beauty! How lovely it is. Sun goes down within a few minutes, probably. Take a glance. Never rush for things which don't bring joy. Never rush. You deserve a better life, right? You surely deserve a better life. The better life is always your own gift. Nobody else can gift you. stay in silence, speak in gentle love with plenty of happiness. Good luck. Good luck, all of you.